December is now Black Friday month at Tire Supply Network. We have dozens of deals available for the rest of 2022, so come visit us today at TireSupplyNetwork.com and save some cash for the holidays. 5-gallon Cheetah for 10% off.
It's the lowest price you'll find on the internet.
TSN exclusive 12-liter Bead Bazooka, $40 off. Half-inch drive extended anvil impact, $145. Flip socket half-inch drive, $9. Pick up a bunch of these. This Black Friday, we're moving weight. Clip-on weights, steel wheels, regs, 1/4 ounce to 2 ounce, 8 boxes, 200 pieces, $125 shipped to your door. MCZs for alloy wheels, 1/4 ounce to 2 ounce, 8 boxes, 200 pieces, $170 shipped to your door. The most common rubber valve stem you'll ever use, TV413. Get a case of 500 for $130. We're throwing in high-quality alligator cores. Schrader TP mesh sensors, 10-pack, $220. That's $22 each sensor. Smart sensor, $220 for a 10-pack. That's $22 each sensor. You need the lube? We got the lube. Rima Euro Paste, 8-pound bucket brush combo, $55. 4 gallons of slip and seal plus the brush, $70. Ken Tool T45A mount demount tool, 2 of them for $130. 500 pack comes in a roll. Seat covers, $90. Professional grade lock-on chuck and service gauge, $22 for the pair. Buy any of these 3 emergency tire repair kits and get string refill kits, 8-inch or 4-inch, for free. That's not all. We have more deals at TireSupplyNetwork.com. Don't miss out on our biggest sale of the year.
We're working hard to get your orders out.